Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Coinbase Wallet with WalletConnect Bridge easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. Navigate to the settings or options menu within the app. Look for the option to connect or pair with a DApp. Select WalletConnect from the list of available options. You will be prompted to scan a QR code. On your desktop or web application, open the DApp you wish to connect with. Locate the option to connect your wallet. Select WalletConnect as the preferred connection method. A QR code will be generated on the screen. Return to your Coinbase Wallet app. Tap the option to scan the QR code. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on your desktop or web application. Once the QR code is scanned, you will see a connection request. Review the permissions being requested by the DApp. If you agree, confirm the connection by tapping Connect in your wallet. You are now successfully connected to the DApp through WalletConnect. You can begin using the DApp features directly from your Coinbase wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.